Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Wix Pro to your Wix website. In order to do that, what you have to do is just simply come on to Wix. Before starting this video, let's understand what is Wix Pro Gallery. So basically Wix Pro Gallery is a special feature inside Wix that lets you to show images, videos and colors and even text in a clear modern gallery layout. Now it's not just simple image gallery. You can control how your image appears, how fast they load and even protect them if needed. It is super useful if you are a photographer, an artist or anyone who wants their visual to stand out. So this is a basically a gallery pro gallery looks like. So this is just for example. Now this is not how you can add that. So if I click on the save, if I go into preview, let me show you. They have lots of layout in the customization. I'm not a good designer, but I have created this layout using Pro Gallery. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see this is the website. Here you can add your text, or this is you can add the image bio, whatever you want you can add. Now let's get started. Now first thing, if you are a very beginner, if you in the Wix Studio, if you don't know how to open your site, what you can do is just simply log in with your account, and after logging in you can get to see this kind of interface. I'm using Wix Studio right now, but if you are in the Wix normal Wix standard.com, it is not that difficult. So what you have to do is just simply select the website and click on the design site. So I'm not using Wix Studio editor, but I'm using Wix standard editor, so the normal or beginner viewers can understand what we are doing. So yeah, let's get started. Now what you have to do is just simply add a new section to add your pro gallery. So I will touch this and click on the add section, click on the add elements, and after that in the left side you can see there is a page is popped up. From there you have to choose gallery. In the pro gallery you can see there is a option of images. Now just simply click on it, and we have successfully added our pro gallery. Now if you want to resize and manage this gallery, you can manage it through manage media. If you want to go to change the layout, how this Wix Pro Gallery works, you can just simply click on the settings. So yeah, if you want to know about more about Wix Pro Gallery, I have already created a tutorial. You can go and watch it. Now if for the just for the example, this is the layout. You can change layout from here. If you want customization in your images, just simply click on the customization. It will pop up something like this. You can read all of those settings and you can customize based on your needs. If you go into designs, you can design images individually. For example, if I want to add overlay, so I can add. Now I don't want to overlay should be full. I will tell that it should be a partially. Now I will remove the size. Now if you go into bottom, overlay starters from bottom, it should be in the top, it should be in the vertical center. You can add this overlay wherever you want. If you want to give a padding to your overlay, you can give that too. If you want to add the gradient color to your overlay, you can add that too. Now I don't need to add that. Now if you want to give animation to your overlay, you can give that. There are lots of things to uh, uh, Wix Pro Gallery. Just see that tutorial. Maybe I will add that video's tutorial uh, link into the description, or you can just simply search it in the YouTube. Now that's it. This is how you can add your Wix Pro Gallery into Wix Studio or Wix Editor. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.